Hello, in this video I want to show you how to uninstall League of Legends from your MacBook. And to do this we'll need to open our Go right here, then go for the applications and you should find League of Legends inside. Now you can either simply move it to the bin here by clicking and dragging, or also click on the control and then click on the icon and here move it to the bin. Yep. Now only thing left to do is to open our bin folder and then simply clean it just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.